Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to today's YouTube channel, Wanderam 2.0.
It is 2 o'clock in the morning. We are all set to.
Hi.
आ जाओ जरा आप ही आओ।
They are all set to hit Black Peak Summit today.
सबसे पहले कौन जाएगा?
It was pitch dark and everyone was tied to the rope. We could only move forward with the help of ice axes and head torches. At 5 o'clock on Black Peak, the first light of the dawn begins to illuminate the snow-covered landscape.
Are we reached halfway?
यस अभी हमारा हाफ रीच उधर होगा, सामने दिख रहा
Uh-huh.
ये जो दिख रहा है ये गरुड़ पीक
Okay.
जहाँ चांद है।
Mm-hmm.
अब इसके बाद एकदम इधर आना पड़ेगा डिस्टेंस
Uh-huh.
एकदम सीधा 90 डिग्री ऐसा वॉल होगा पूरा।
Okay.
तो अगर आपको लगता कैन वो अगर आपको लगता है कि मैं वापस जा रही हूँ, आपको दिक्कत हो रही है,
नहीं सर, I'll
फिर
abort.
आपने इतना किया, ये भी बहुत बड़ी बात है आपके लिए,
Okay
क्योंकि
सर.
आपका सेकंड ट्रिप है सीधा ब्लैक पीक एक्सपीडिशन।
वही सर.
ऑलरेडी आप 5500 मीटर में हो अभी ऑलरेडी।
Okay. Okay sir, I'll abort. I'll go with them.
हाँ ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम।
Thank
आप
you.
वापस जाओ, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। नेक्स्ट ईयर दोबारा नारी ने क्या
I thought I'll make it to Black Peak Summit today, but after 5,500 meters, I feel myself so low and I was breathless. Team went ahead, and I wish all 4 of my mates will make it to the summit, and I'll consider that it is my summit as well. And I'm going down right now from 5,500 meters, and I'll stay back, or if possible I'll go back to base camp. I am proud of myself. I'm not feeling real bad. I've come all the way till here alone, and as a solo traveler I am proud, and I'll make it one day successful. Thank you. I am feeling very little bad that I couldn't go there. At the same time, I'm feeling proud that everyone has made it. I was just halfway, but one day I'll come back stronger.
On the other hand, my team successfully completed the summit of Mount Black Peak.
इधर देख लो सर जी,
हेलो हाय ब्लैक पीक
जय नाग बाबा की
जय हो।
जय भोलेनाथ बाबा। पहुंच गए हम ब्लैक पीक। हमारे डिस्कवरी हाइक्स के लोग भी बस 2 मिनट की दूरी पे आने वाले हैं। पूरी टीम बहुत खुशी के साथ ब्लैक पीक की समिट पे पहुंच गई है। और आप देखें आप नज़ारा, इस पूरी धरती पे इतने प्यारे पर्वत मुझे नहीं लगता कहीं और होंगे। ब्लैक पीक समिट ये अभी और यहाँ पे पूजा लड़ा।
शाबाश शाबाश।
Coming back to my journey, I was descending with many thoughts in my mind. Did I make the right call? Shouldn't I have taken the risk and gone for the summit? Will I be able to come back again? So many questions filled my thoughts. I had a cup of tea and some Maggie at the summit camp.
We went all the way from here, there, then I went till there, and then came down.
I opted to slide down instead of descending for a while. It was a brand new and fun filled experience for me.
This is the end, a bitter end, a bit of heaven. So much we said, so much bullshit. I'm much better off.
I missed to go till there, but I have gone till there and returned back, which is 5500. I kept looking at this peak every minute and feel. We now reached to our camp 2, and our Bhaiya is picking up some stuff which we left while going to camp 3.
And I'm so much happier now on my own.
Our group is here coming down. भैया उसका नाम स्वर्गारोहिणी क्यों है?
स्वर्गारोहिणी इसके लिए है कि युधिष्ठिर जी स्वर्ग गए थे वहाँ से, इसलिए उसको स्वर्गारोहिणी बोलते हैं।
ओके, और इसका नाम?
यहाँ का नाम है अर्जुन छाड़।
हाँ।
जी अर्जुन जी यहाँ तक पहुँचे थे,
ओके
इसलिए इसको अर्जुन छाड़ कहा गया।
okay nice. We have kept our shoes here while going to camp 3. Now I'll have to change from Hoplast to waterproof shoes. Making a way to go, to cross the glacier.
We entered the dry lands and it was a long day trekking all the way from Summit Camp to Camp 1. We almost reached to Camp 1, only to realize that we would need to wait in the open lands until the team arrived with the tents.
We have now reached to Camp 1, and Bhaiya has been really helpful. He's carrying almost half of my luggage, my shoes and everything. We had real fun coming down because we had all the day. We have come all the way from Camp 3 to Camp 1, and the next target is base camp, but we are waiting for our captain approval. They're still there on top of Kalanag. Once they are back, we will decide whether to set up a camp here or go to base camp. And you don't know what to do, and you need to only pass your time. So cleaning your feet with glacier water. By the way, it's been 7 days I've cleaned my feet. One way It is because the water is too cold. By the way, you're too lazy to do that. Every time you'll be with the socks. It's been Bapra again. 7 days I washed my face. This is very pure and very cool water. All this while me and only Bhai is there. Now slowly we could see people coming. First person is Gangarana Bhai. It is already started snowfalling here. We need a tent immediately. Maybe he's carrying the same. Another sir still on the way. They are there. I hope they reach here very fast before weather gets too bad. Gangaji kept running to rescue. The team have come finally. He has done till 6,000 meters and he has summited Black Peak today.
In no time, Camp 1 turned from a dry land into a snow-filled area.
Just few minutes back, this is all dry. I was sleeping there, feeling so hot. Now in fraction of minutes, everything is changed. See, it is this cold.
That's all about our journey of summiting Mount Black Peak. You can watch my further videos about descending back to Sangri. Thank you once again for watching till the end. Bye.